Hi guys, my name's Sair. Today I'm going to show you how to put like a little extension of a dreadlock in. So I actually, this one fell out when I coloured it, and sometimes that can happen because it sort of weakens the bond where they connect. So you can make your own little dreadlock extensions, or you can get a loctician to do it for you. This is human hair, so you can colour it, you can do all that kind of thing with it. And then you dread it up and you tease it up, and then you also crochet it, but that's another video. Okay, so today we're gonna we've got the extension, we've got the bit of actual dread of your hair there, and then we're going to combine it. You can see that. Okay, so what you will need is a crochet hook. This is a 0.6, and you've already got this bit dreaded here. If not, if you're actually putting in extensions, you'd actually start doing your dread first, and then you leave a little bit of loose hair here, because then that's where it's going to extend. Sometimes I'd loop it through, but I found that sometimes gives it a little bit of a loopy thing in your dreads, and yeah, it was a bit annoying when I did it like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, this is fully dry, so I'm going to pull this apart. This, you can see I'm pulling some loose ends out. Okay, so you've got your dreadlock and you've got your two loose ends parted there. You put the extension in there in the middle and meet it up to the dreadlock at the top. That light's a bit annoying. Okay, then you've got your 0.6 crochet hook. It goes in through the dreadlock extension and pulling some of the hair from the one side of your actual hair through the dreadlock extension like that, so that this hair is coming through the other side, if you can see that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, but I just go in and out like that, right down, and already it's sort of sticking in there like that, and then I come through the other side and I do the same. Now it's starting to be stuck in there. So once you've done that, then you're going to get your crochet hook and do your normal maintenance around it, and especially where it meets, you want that hair to come right over it. And how you do that is, okay, and it's coming over, grabbing hair, under, turning upwards and back around, and over and around and over and around like that. And then while you're doing that, your fingers can be turning like that at the same time. So see if I can see you over like that, bringing the hair around and back down and round and back around. But the reason why you keep on turning it with your fingers and turning it round is because otherwise you'll get a stitch that goes right down on one side. You don't want that. You sort of want it to be stitched, but keep on moving it around so it doesn't just stay on one side. And it's just going round the dreadlock. It's not going right in and around. It's actually just making like a nice, like neater barrier for your dreadlock. Okay, so we've got the, see if we can clip this back. Nice look there. Clip it back. Okay, so now we've got our extension in there, and you can still sort of see where it comes in, so I'm going to go over that more and just make sure it's really secured there. And then usually after I've done that, I put a little bit of Dreadlocks here, just a touch on my fingers, and then I palm roll it And once it's in, it's pretty secure. Like the one that fell out was because my hair's quite short. When I did put them in though, I put them in quite up here, and then I hadn't done them for a little while, and then I coloured it, so it's sort of weak in that little area, and I ended up just actually getting it out myself, but it was just weaker, so I thought I'd do this video. So, and then once you got them in, they're in there, and they're tight in there. So that's how you put in a real human hair dreadlock extension.